You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word in English, British English and American English, because they're slightly different. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary, you found the right channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Grasshopper is the British English pronunciation. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. In American English, in the US, the pronunciation is quite similar, even ever so slightly different. Grasshopper is how the Americans say it. Grasshopper. Grasshopper, American English, or grasshopper. And now you know. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.